Hi, it's Chris with C&H Auto Accessories here in Margate, Florida. And today, come on over here, what did I do? Well, we did a couple things here. We got a nice Ford F-150, beautiful truck, and we did 3 things for it. Now, first of all, you see there's the backflip MX4, high quality cover. I mean, this thing's gonna hold up a long time because we have a 5-year manufacturer warranty. And of course, if we install it, it gets doubled by Truck Hero, so it goes to 10 years, which is really good because if you look at the truck next to us, you wanna get a good warranty. So go ahead and show that real quick. We didn't do that, by the way. So these are reason why you get the better cover, so they'll last you longer. But now, before I get into the backflip, let's show you some of the other cool things we've done with this here. There we go. Now, what I like is storage. And I like things to be put away, organized, nice and neat. And what do we got here? Well, this is one of my favorite setups, the Undercover Swingcase. He has the driver's side and passenger side. Again, you pull the little lever here, swings right out, and really easy to use. And if you notice over here, it does not interfere with his plug over here. I don't know if you notice, it's nice and tucked behind it. By the way, as you know, Ford uses an aluminum bed. These are not aluminum, these are steel. But they are set up where we don't actually screw any holes in there. They're using factory holes. So there's no actual metal against metal, so it's really protected. Of course, I do put it right on top with the bed liner, which helps as well. So they'll never have to worry about any issues along here. So that's a great feature. So come on over here. What else do we have? Well, since this customer was smart enough to get himself the backflip, now he can get the toolbox that goes with it, called the Bak Box 2. This is the latest model. It's got a nice sliding tray that goes around here. I'm gonna get in here and show you some really cool features. Now, what's nice about this, if you did need the space in this, you can take the little tray out. You got a nice little easy setup here. And this just slides back right in there, and see that? Now you got plenty of space. And the swing cases come out too. So if you need the whole bed again, you don't have to completely remove everything. You're good to go, you know? So I love this setup. I think it's really good. Again, you can only get this with the backflip. And the revolver and the MX4, any back industry product, it will work. If you don't have that, you can't get that Bak Box. And as you see, this goes all the way up to the window here. Does not block if you have cameras up there. Just a great setup. Drainage system, nice little seal here. Basically, you just go like this. You come around here, you slide up, locks down. You got to do both sides. You don't have to show it, but you know it. And then when they're not in use, leave them up. So, and they clip right over here. Again, you don't have to do anything crazy when you close it. You just close it normally. So, oops, almost fell down. There we go. The nice thing is, he's gonna have his tools in here and no one will know. Look how super clean this is. This doesn't look like a work truck, but if he wants to make it a work truck with all the toolboxes, he can. Now, of course, a lot of people don't always use these for tools. I mean, you can put all kinds of towing stuff back there. You can put anything you want in there. And again, these are removable. So if you have to take them out, not a big deal, you know? Again, if you like what you see, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. We appreciate that. And any of these parts, the Undercover Swingcase, the backflip MX4, the Bak Box 2, we can ship anywhere in the country. So if you live in California, not a problem. If you live locally, if you put it on here, we double the warranty on the cover. All in all, a great setup. And if you want to use a firm, guess what? Our website is set up with financing, so you can use that as well. Again, this is Chris doing a review on the backflip MX4, Undercover Swingcase, and the Bak Box 2. Thank you.